The Supreme Court has given gold scam accused Nowhera Shaik two options: return 25 crore rupees to investors within 3 months or face jail. Nowhera Shaik, the managing director of Heera Gold Exim Private Limited, is accused of defrauding lakhs of investors of 5,600 crore rupees with multiple FIRs registered against her in several states. During the hearing, the Supreme Court warned that failure to refund 25 crore rupees within 90 days would result in her immediate arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. The court noted her repeated defiance of previous orders, including one on November 11, 2024, which had extended her surrender deadline on the condition that she deposit the required amount. Nowhera's legal counsel, senior lawyer Kapil Sibbal, informed the court that she had no funds available. However, the Enforcement Directorate countered that multiple properties belonging to her had already been attached. When asked to provide a list of unencumbered assets that could be auctioned, her legal team disclosed only 3 properties, 2 of which are in Telangana and could be sold by the agency. The Serious Fraud Investigation Office (SFIO) continues to probe Heera Gold and its operations. Cases remain pending in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Delhi. The company, which dealt in jewelry and gold trading, lured investors with promises of a 36% dividend. Initially, it made payouts, but in 2018, complaints surfaced leading to her arrest in October that year.